Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Charge your Android to at least 50% before starting the transfer. Plug in a USB cable if you prefer wired transfer instead of wireless. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network for faster Google Sync. Open the Settings app and confirm your Android is signed into your Google account. Sign in to the same Google account on both devices before proceeding. Ensure you have at least 1 GB of free storage on the receiving device for safety. Open Google Photos and enable backup and sync if it is not enabled. Wait until the app shows 100% backup status before transferring files. On the new device, open Photos and sign into the same Google account. Tap Library, then Utilities, and choose Restore Device folders if you need local copies. Use Restore in Google Photos or download selected photos manually if needed. For very large libraries, use a strong Wi-Fi and keep the screen unlocked during restore. Connect Android to PC with a USB cable and choose File Transfer mode. On your PC, open File Explorer and navigate to your device name. Copy the DSIM and Pictures folders to a new folder on your PC for backup. Safely disconnect the original device and connect the other Android in the same file transfer mode. Move the copied folders into the new device internal storage in the same locations. Verify photos appear in the gallery or Google.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.